guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video was a request from a subscriber. The subscriber had asked in one of my recent videos to talk about what I do to prep my skin for a matte looking face, a matte makeup. And when I saw that, I actually thought that was an amazing question, and I thought I was just going to do a devoted video to answer that question. We all know summer is fast approaching, and we will most likely want to have more of matte looking makeup than dewy face that we'll tend to go for during winter. So in this video, I've gone into details step by step, talking about the products that I use and how I use them, why I use them. So now the first thing when you're going for a matte looking makeup is to firstly understand the kind of skin that you have. Now I have a combination skin, which means I tend to be normal in the outer perimeter of my face and oily round about my T-zone. If you don't know the kind of skin that you have, the easiest way to do that is once you wash your face in the morning, let it air dry and leave it for a couple of minutes. If after leaving it for a couple of minutes your skin feels tight, it feels tuggy, then that suggests that you're probably a dry skin and you want to go for products that are more hydrating and more moisturizing on your skin. If you leave it for that long and then your face is normal, there's no oil whatsoever, it's just okay, it's perfect, then you're most likely normal skin and you can do what you want. But if you're like myself, once you leave it that for a while, you will most likely find that you're okay on the outer perimeter of your face, but your oils are starting to seep through around your nose, which explains why most times when we apply foundation or when we apply makeup, after a couple of hours our makeup tend to be oily round about the T-zone. I'd probably suggest that you have a combination skin like myself. Now I need to put this disclaimer here. The production of oil on your face is not bad. It's actually good. It's actually what helps your skin to look young, to look vibrant, to look healthy. So don't despise your skin if you have oily skin. Don't despise your skin if you have combination skin or normal, and don't despise your skin if you are dry. Just try to do what works for you. Go for products that will help your skin, to give your skin exactly what it needs. Did I talk about oily skin? I don't think so. If you're oily, after you've left your face for that long, your skin will most likely be oily. That will suggest that you have oily skin.
Alright, so on to skincare. So the first thing I love to do is to apply a toner, and the one I love to use is this one by Paula's Choice. After which I will then go in with an essence, and what this does for me is it helps to maintain my moisture. It helps to prevent me from losing moisture, losing hydration. It also acts as a base for every other serum, creams, anything that I'm applying, just to help to absorb them even better. After which I love to use niacinamide. If you've been watching me for a while, you will know that I love niacinamide. Niacinamide is an amazing product, and this also acts as a hydration boost. After that, I will then go in with a hydrating primer serum. After applying the serum, I will then go in with a moisturizer. Now once I'm done with skin prep and I want to go ahead and apply makeup, I like to reintroduce moisture, reintroduce hydration. What I love to use to do this is this setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. It's their airbrush flawless setting spray, and this spray acts as a primer and a setting spray. Such an amazing product. If you have the MAC Fix Plus as well, you can use this at this time. After the setting spray, I will then go in with a primer, and then afterwards I will then go on with my foundation. The one I'm using today is this one from NARS. You can use any foundation of your choice as long as it's matte. You can use, okay? And yeah, I would apply this, go ahead and finish my makeup, and I'll come back to you guys.
And once I'm done with my makeup, I love to go back in with the setting spray. Now, the kind of setting sprays I tend to go for are ones that just helps to rebalance my skin, helps to rebalance my makeup. It keeps me matte where I need it to be, and gives me a satin finish on every other part. Gives me this healthy look. It doesn't look like it takes away the powdery effect of my foundation and just sets everything, and it helps everything to blend into my skin. Now, one that I've been loving so much of late is this one by Charlotte Tilbury. Now, this setting spray acts as a primer and as a setting spray, and what I love about it is it just gives me this healthy looking skin once I have applied my makeup. I already set my face earlier, but we can just apply again. I love how it smells. I just love how it smells. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you've learned one or two things. Let me know what kind of skin you are. Are you dry? Are you normal? Are you combination, or are you oily? Leave it in the comment section down below. And also let me know what favorite products you use to keep your skin matte, healthy, and all that kind of good stuff. Leave it in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!